Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and you into Huck's World. And yes, ladies, today, once again, it is all about you. I told you I wasn't going to forget about you. Now, we got 3 watch faces in the lineup. Hopefully, you all like one of them. Guys, if you like these watch faces, by all means, download them. All right, you all, let's go ahead and let's kick this review. Ladies, let's kick this review off. The name of the watch face is called Lady Gold. This has a luxurious looking feel to it. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far at your digital time. I like the way it's laid to the right, and you got a nice dark background as well. Now once the watch face is on, you got a nice golden background, you got your date information to the left, you got your digital time over to the right, along with your battery percentage. Now this is not geared toward fitness in any way. This is really meant to be worn after 5 when you're going out, you're about to hit the town, or you simply just going to be looking good for the day. This isn't a bad look, but if you could tie this into something, this would be a nice watch face to have in your lineup. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below because I really would like to know your thoughts on this one. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Right, you all, watch face number 2 is just as nice as watch face number 1. Definitely unique in its own right. The name of the watch face is called a simple watch for Gear Sport Gear 3 S3 Frontier. Of course, it's going to be for the Galaxy Watch and the Galaxy Watch Active. Now, I thought this was a nice, unique look, something different, something fresh, something new. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a simple digital time down at the bottom with a nice black background when the watch face is on. I like the colorful look to this watch face. You're going to get your date and your digital time down at the bottom. It's kind of small, but I don't think it's a deal breaker. You tell me, though. But at the top, you're going to get your battery percentage as well. So I thought this was a nice look for a dress down casual wear, something different other than what you're used to wearing on a daily basis. I don't know. You tell me. Is this a down low, or are you going to leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, last but not least, let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, this one has butterflies throughout, right? The name of the watch face is called Rainbow Butterfly. Now, I like the background colors, really make this watch face pop. In AOD mode, I'm very surprised of what I see, but I thought it was really nice considering what you see when the watch face is on. Now, when it is on, you got butterflies, you got flowers down at the bottom, got a nice colorful background. Now, the watch face is interactive, so if I double tap right here, got to double tap. You can go in and make a phone call if you so choose. Double tap right here, I can go in and get my messages if I want. And also, if I double tap right here, let's get it going. I can go into my calories burn, my step status info, and down at the bottom, people, you can get your step status info for the week. So I thought it was a good look for a casual, dress down, everyday watch face. But again, at the end of the day, ladies, it is all about you. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on these 3 watch faces. Remember, they are free for the taking. I don't know how long they're going to be free, so make sure you download ASAP. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.